Hi, I am Chiranjit. Welcome to Pen Tool Lesson 2. I am going to drawing on complex paths, complex shapes. So let's start. I have taken an image. Four shapes, complex shapes. And in this image, I have highlighted that where you have to click. In these red points I have highlighted in all four shapes. You can download this image. I have given the link below. So I am going to lock this object by press Ctrl 2 and then going to start changing the stroke color. So I will start from here and I have highlighted where you have to click. Just pull this and arrange you have to click. And press Alt to edit this point. Now I'll go again and press Alt to edit this node. And then we'll go to the next point. Then we'll finish it. You can edit this by press Alt. So first one is complete. You can see I have highlighted. It's very simple. Take the pen tool, click on this point, then on this point, then come here, take a little bit point here, then go for the curve and press Alt to edit. Then go again to this point and finish it. So that's it. We'll go for the third. Take the pen tool. I will drawing from here. First, second, third. Just click. Then you have to curve here. Drag it by pen tool. And just edit it by press Alt. Then go for the second and the last. That's it. And the last one I'm going to drawing. First point, second point is a straight line. Just click on this, then curve it. Just pull it by pen tool and come to this point and go again to this and then press Alt and edit this node. And go the last point. Sorry. then go again to curve it, just drag it by pen tool. It's really very simple for you. I have highlighted the points where you have to click, and I will add the last point. So guys, that's it. It's complex shapes. Press Ctrl Alt 2 to unlock the object and just remove it. You can see I am drawing this, and this is the image. You can download this image, link given below. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and please watch lesson 3 pen tool. Thank you.